To the constitutional review, and a plan to shift the constitution review process to Parliament is slowly gaining traction. A caucus of parliamentarians mooted the idea following the court's halting of the referendum drive and the anticipated prolonged court process that could delay the realization of the intended changes. And with the move to amend the constitution through a parliamentary initiative now receiving backing from the National Assembly Speaker Justin Muturi, Sam Ogina reports on an initiative whose proponents describe it as a win-win process that will not divide Kenyans through a highly charged referendum.
It is a plot to bypass the referendum, which is considered a volatile, divisive political process in the constitutional amendments. With the courts putting a pause on the BBI referendum drive, the anticipated litigation process is assumed to affect the referendum timelines, with the general election beckoning in 2022. As such, a group of senators and MPs are plotting a parliamentary takeover of the constitutional review exercise and have the Supreme Law amended on clauses that do not require a referendum. The group, led by Senators Johnson Sakaja of Nairobi, Makueni's Mutula Kilonzo Jr., Homa Bay's Moses Kajwang, Nyamira Sokongo Mogeni, Elgeyo Marakwet Senator Kipchumba Murkomen, Tharaka Nithis Kithure Kindiki, Narok's Ledama Olekina, and Kakamega Senator Cleophas Malala. In the National Assembly, the drive is led by former Majority Leader Edan Duale, Gatundu South MP Moses Kuria, Movita's Abdul Swamad Sharif Nasir, Nambale MP Sakwa Bunyasi, Rarieda MP Otende Amolo, Shadrach Mose of Kitutu Masaba, Soipan Tuya, the Narok woman representative, and nominated MP Cecil Mbarire. The move already receiving commendation from various quarters, including the National Assembly Speaker Justin Muturi, who described the process as a mirror process of the Inter-Parties Parliamentary Group IPPG of 1997 that was fashioned around an inclusive national dialogue.
Wakiniuliza, nitawasaidia vile inawezekana. Bora pia wajue kubadilisha katiba lazima wakuwe tayari kupata ile thuluthi mbili. 2/3.
The parliamentary team has already had its preliminary sitting to sift through the BBI document to isolate issues that can be amended through a parliamentary initiative. The team grappling on whether tinkering with the structure of government to include the Prime Minister position would require a referendum or not. Equally, they are toying with the idea of returning the 47 women senators back to the National Assembly as women representatives. The issue of the Judiciary Ombudsman is to be left out as it requires a referendum. The team is set to meet after the Madaraka Day celebrations to receive a preliminary report before they begin engaging stakeholders.
Tuchukue BBI zile ambaye zinaweza kupitishwa kupitia bunge tupitishe. Ile ambaye inangojea referendum tuangojee uamuzi wa kotini. Sina kesi nyingine, weka ijara constituency.
But to push through such amendments, the proponents of the parliamentary initiative will require 2/3 majority in both houses to push through the amendments. Nandi Senator Samson Cherargei already poking holes on the initiative. Cherargei stated that for any meaningful reforms to take place, the people should be involved and not Parliament, as Parliament had allegedly been overrun by government.
If there is any BBI or constitutional reforms, let it be brought to wananchi. And that is why even the court ruled that the whole business of constitutional reforms must start with the people. Let them go to the people. Let them not bring parliament. Unajua bunge imeshikwa na state. It is state captured.
The appeals court has set Wednesday next week as the hearing date for the BBI appeal case, as proponents of the BBI drive fight off to kickstart the stalled process. Sam Ogina, Citizen TV, Nairobi.